Welcome to our video demonstration on Enrollment Hub Basics. To begin, we will start with the menu option that's on the top left corner of the screen. When the menu box appears, you will see 5 sections: Home, Agent Toolbox, Settings, Disclosures, and Help. Let's begin in Home by clicking on Workbench. The Workbench is broken out into 2 different sections. On the left, highlighted in green, will be your scope of appointments that you create in Enrollment Hub. By clicking on the right side of the screen, you will see that the Enrollment Applications section is now highlighted. We will cover both scope of appointments and enrollment applications in separate videos. Next, we'll cover tips and tools under Agent Toolbox and certification recertification under Settings. Both of these links will take you to the same screen. On the Tips and Tools screen, you will see a link to get to the Humana Recertification and Certification course, Ordering Humana Materials, and the Agent Statement of Enrollment Correction form. You will also see links for the Educational Brochure, Product Flyers, Sales Presentation, and POP brochures. Continuing with the main menu, under the Agent Toolbox, you will see access to the Provider Locator, which will take you to the Humana Find a Doctor tool, the Pharmacy Calculator, Digital Marketing Materials, and a link to Vantage. In the Disclosures section, you will see links to the Mobile App Privacy Statement, as well as the End User License Agreement. In the Help section, you will see a link for Contact Us. This will bring up helpful numbers that you can use if you have any technical issues while using the system. If you do experience technical issues while using Enrollment Hub, you would contact the agent support number listed as 1-800-309-3163. There is a search feature located on the top right corner of the screen that will allow you to search for your client by name or Medicare number, whether you are on the scope of appointment or application sections of the workbench. The support link on the top right corner of the screen will bring up the same information as the support section of the main menu. This will populate the phone numbers that you can reach out to should you have any technical issues. One feature in Enrollment Hub is that you have the option of changing the language from English to Spanish. On the right-hand side of the screen under Support, you will see an arrow pointing up. Click the arrow in order to get the language options. The drop-down option for language will appear in the top center portion of the screen. The system will automatically default to English. If you do need to change the language to Spanish, you would click on the drop-down arrow and select Spanish. Notice that after selecting Spanish, both the scope of appointment and the enrollment application cards will show in Spanish. It is important to change the language prior to beginning an enrollment application or a scope of appointment application. You cannot change the language once you are in the middle of an application. If Spanish is selected, the application will display in Spanish as well. This will also include if you choose to do an electronic signature for your client, the email that they receive will also be in Spanish. This concludes our demonstration on Enrollment Hub Basics. Be sure to check out our other videos on Enrollment Hub in regards to how to complete a scope of appointment and how to complete an enrollment application. Thank you for watching.